In this reading, we will going to have love reading situation and message from your person. Okay, let's see the energy first. Settlement. Okay, so in this energy or love situation, makikita natin na there are someone na still into their chaos. So someone are asking to settle things, okay, na nasira before. Someone is requiring settlement na nasira before. So dito, lumitaw dito yung ating drama queen and broken or feeling alone. Someone wants an agreement about this situationship and relationship. Okay, so it's either you or your person want this, but ito kasi, kumbaga, dito kasi, pwedeng ito kasi yung maging final or sabihin natin sa future to eh. Pero tingnan nyo yung card. May tendency din na someone is about to settle something. And ito is with the person na merong chaotic energy na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng sadness and pain. Okay? Are you dealing with this person or ikaw yung mismong ganito? Pero I see na you or this person want settlement, pagkakaayos. Malinaw na malinaw, my loves. Gusto mong mag-ayos dito sa person na to na still into their, sabihin natin, medyo immatured state. At ito ang pwedeng maging kalabasan ng inyong relationship. Brokenness. Closure. So, ayan, pwede yan. So, gusto mo ng closure, pwede ngang ikaw ito. Pero, dito kasi, bakit may upcoming feeling alone? Itong closure na to, pwedeng masabi natin na mag-cause sa'yo ng sadness and pain. Or pwedeng mag-cause sa taong to ng sadness and pain. Basta dito, the focus of the energy, there are some settlement. Kung gusto niyo ng closure, pwedeng ito na yon. And eto nga, masasabi natin, ay eto din, lumitaw din dito yung thirsty. So, may tendency, ito yung intention mo talaga. Kasi parang, andun yung thirsty when it comes to their attention. Okay? So, ito yung energy nung situationship na to, mayroong isa sa inyo na uhaw pa rin sa attention ng isa sa inyo. And pwedeng isa din sa inyo ang nakakaramdam ng pagiging broken and feeling alone. So, kung ano man yung settlement na yan, pwedeng mag-cause yan ng lots of sadness and pain sa inyo. Kung ano man yung mapag-uusapan ninyo, pwedeng maging cause yan ng brokenness ng love situation na to. Okay, so dito, dito sa drama queen natin, may tendency na you are dealing with someone na, or pwede din na itong settlement na to ay mag-cause ng, or sabihin natin, kung closure man yan or reconciliation, pwede mag-cause din yan ng chaos. Kung ginugulo ka man ng taong to, I don't see na, ayun nga, eto nga, kasi lumitaw din talaga dito eh. Someone is, sabihin natin, thirsty. Someone is require settlement, or sabihin natin gusto makipag-settle, gustong or willing makipag-compromise. Someone, ito yun. But ang pwedeng idulot ng settlement na to ay sadness and pain. Yun yung focus ng energy na to. So, let's see more confirmation for this energy. Kasi, nandito it's causing lots of chaos. You are dealing, or pwedeng ikaw to, that causing lots of chaos in this love situation. Self-indulgence, focusing on self. Okay, so it's time to heal, my loves. It's time to heal. So, ito yung settlement, and ito yung naging confirmation natin. It's time to heal. You have to appreciate yourself. Sabihin natin, angels and guides are telling you to have self-indulgence. Kumbaga sa'yo, isipin mo yung sarili mo. Pwede nga na-obsess ka dito sa agreement na to, kung meron ka man nire-requires na agreement. I also see na pwede ding, my loves, na dito, itong taong to, you are currently dealing with ay self-indulgence. Pwede ding ganon na parang dapat sila muna ang una. Dapat i-compromise sila. They are requiring ganon. Or they are, ito kasi pag sinabing compromise, parang willing silang makipag-agree kung ano yung i-offer sa kanila. Pero dito lumitaw na nga, if ikaw ito na gustong makipag-settle, spirits wants you to know na it is time to heal. It is time to focus on yourself. About this drama queen, let's see. Oh, heartbroken. Kung ikaw man ito na sabihin nating thirsty, kung ikaw man ito na until now ay still into this settlement, yan, heartbroken. You're deeply hurt. Yes. Grieving. Kung ikaw man to, or maybe this your person still in sadness and pain. Pero eto nga, yung kung nagkokos ng drama queen na to, or ng thirst na to, is deeply hurt. Deeply hurt. Okay? So, dito nga, yung confirmation, my love, so look. Yung pinagkokos, yung pinagbubutan, divining core natin, and what about that drama queen or that thirsty energy? Ito nga, because they are in separation. Crush. Ito yung fine, ano natin malungkot kasi yung looking at your photos. Okay, so spirits wants to advise na nandun pa rin yung nostalgic energy. Make new memories, my loves. Kaya ka na sasaktan. Kaya, di ba sabi ko nga, maaaring ikaw ito or yung tao mo, yung person mo. Pero dito sa broken and heartedness, kaya mo na-feel itong pagiging alone kasi you still into that nostalgic energy. Naaalala mo pa rin itong taong ito. You still looking at your photos. You still looking at your past. Kumbaga, kung hindi man ikaw ito, your person, ito kasi dito sa sadness and feeling alone, maaaring sila, nakakaramdam sila ng sadness and pain because they miss you. And malakas din ng ano nito kung ikaw nga ito, you missing them. Kahit hindi mo iyan sa sarili mo. Kasi nandito merong separation na nagkukos ng heartbroken. Ito yung lumitaw. And ayan nga, confirmation na talagang namimiss mo yung taong yun because of this separation. Confirmation na kaya mo na-feel yung pagiging alone because of that nostalgic memories or because of that nostalgia. But spirits wants you to make new memories. You have to focus on yourself right now. It is time to heal. Okay? This is the right time to heal, my loves. This is the confirmation. Kung ikaw man ito na nalulungkot pa rin, heartbroken pa rin, crush, napakalungkot ng ano na to, energy na to. Kung hindi man, kung sa'yo nagsimula, kung ikaw talaga to yung nakikipag-agree, napakalungkot ng energy. Kung siya naman yung nakikipag-ayos or willing mag-compromise, ang lungkot ng energy niya. Kasi nga, nandito yung broken-heartedness, nandito, durog na durog, my loves. Pero isa sa nakakapagpadurog is yung nostalgia. Photos. Nakatingin sila sa past. Spirits advise you to make new memories, my loves. Hindi man sa taong to. Kasi nandito parang, kumbaga, walang positive na ipinakita dito na yung settlement is tingnan mo, loneliness. Yung pwedeng maging result nung agreement and settlement na to. Loneliness. So, kung hindi man, kumbaga, make new memories na hindi involved dito, you have to focus on yourself first. You have to focus on yourself first. Okay, let's see more confirmation. Recovery, my loves, Ten of Swords in reverse. Recovery coming for you. Regeneration, my love. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, durog na durog. Itong energy na to, durog na durog. Moving on, even stronger. My love, si spirits na nagsasabi, you have to move on. You have to gain. You have to gain more power. And ito ay sabihin natin, makakasurvive ka din, my loves. These painful swords falling out, matatanggal din lahat ng swords na yan. Matatanggal din lahat ng mga nakatusok. Lahat ng mga nakatusok sa'yo na yan, matatanggal din, my loves. You will go, spirits wants and assures you to have more recovery. Okay? So, kasi, ayan napakadami, 10 of swords to, pero in reverse. So, they are assuring, spirits assuring you for more recovery and regeneration mula sa pagkakadurog na to, my loves. Mula sa pagkakadurog na to. There are upcoming healing for you. Makakasurvive ka din. Masyado yung broken-heartedness mo dito. Meron tayong 3 of swords, pero dito 10 of swords. Pero tanda mo, in reverse to. Mahal ka ng yung spirit guides, okay? My loves. Kasi itong taong to, durog na durog talaga siya. Durog siya when it comes to their love. Napakalalim niyang magmahal. Okay? Pero let's see. Kasi broken-hearted ka. Broken-hearted ka. Wala na bang iba? Kumbaga, parang iba talaga yung pagmamahal mo dito sa previous love na to. Tingnan natin. Kasi kumbaga dito, the Queen of Wands natin, dapat magkaroon ka, i-uplift mo yung sarili mo by having more confidence. Kumbaga, maging self-assured ka, my loves. Confidence is the key. Kasi dito, parang lagi kang sad, feeling lost. My loves, ibalik mo itong radiance mo, yung charismatic mo, kung paano mo napa-in love yung person mo before. Kailangan dagdagan mo pa ng maraming confidence, my loves. Ibalik mo yung charm mo, yung pagiging charismatic mo, my loves. Hindi ka pwedeng magstay dito sa pagiging broken-heartedness. Hindi ka pwedeng magstay dito sa yung sadness. Okay? How about this, making new memories na to? Ano ba ang meron dito? Okay, nurture. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles, ngayon ay, kumbaga, mag-focus ka sa yung kaperahan. With good business sense, magnegosyo ka. Kasi, ito sa making new memories, yun ang in-inquire natin kanina. Ito, charismatic and good business sense na to, pwede mo itong pagsamahin para mas ma-attract mo ulit yung bago. Kasi make new memories. So, pwedeng mag-nurture mo when it comes to your finances. Ayan. Kumbaga dito kasi broken ka dito Broken ka dito. And you have to let go. Ito ay part na lang ng past. Kailangan dito sa result na to is ang pangalagaan mo is in-nurture mo ang iyong finances. Maging practical ka, my loves. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo. And isa pa yun sa pagiging charismatic mo, magiging malakas, or isa sa mga magdadagdag ng iyong confidence is your finances. Okay? So let's see more. Okay, a message from this person. Message from this person. Yung gusto mong ka-settlement na to. Message from your person. You make my heart full. O diba sabi ko nga napakalalim mong magmahal. Kumbaga na-appreciate din naman talaga ng person mo yung pagmamahal mo. Now is not the right time, my loves. Now is not the right time. Kaya hindi pa nga ready. Kaya talaga itong result na to na crush na parang dudurog sa puso mo. Have I lost everything? Nandun din yung, sabihin natin, sa person mo, nandun yung parang, it sounds regretful, pero hindi pa siya totally committed eh. Nandun yung panghihinayang kasi naramdaman din niya kung paano ka magmahal. Alam niya kung paano ka magmahal, naramdaman niya yun. And they're still thinking na, yan, nandyan yung panghinayang, pero alam niya sa sarili niya, hindi niya kaya mag-commit 100%. Now is not the right time. They are not ready. Kung ano man yung settlement na yan, hindi pa sila ready, my loves. Hindi pa sila ready. More confirmation and message from this person. You speak to me through music. Maaaring yung person mo, nare-receive niya yung mga messages mo telepathically, lalo na sa music. Pwede din na kung wala kang communication sa taong to, idaan mo sa music. Pwedeng ganun eh, nangyayari yun na para bang yung message na gusto mong iparamdam sa taong yon ay bigla na lang nilang maririnig at ikaw yung kanilang maaalala. Yes, my loves. Ito yung information. Now is not the right time. We will be together again. Oh my gosh. Andun pa rin yung communication. Andun pa rin yung magnetic pull. Okay. Teka, parang na yung channel. I bury myself in. Okay, ganun din siya, my loves. Yan yung love story nila. Andun pa rin yung magnetic pull. Talagang parang may hope akong nakikita dito kasi ang advice talaga sa inyo ni angels and spirits dito, di ba, you are crushed, you are sad, pero ang advice nila is to focus on your stability, di ba? Yun ang sabi natin kanina. Ganun din siya, my love. So I bury myself in work to forget you. Parang kumbaga sa ngayon kayong dalawa ay into separated ways para mag-focus kayo sa inyong stability. Pero nandito yung hope pa rin na you will be together again. So in other words, huwag niyong madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay. At isa na rin sign kung kayo ay stable na sa inyong life, sa inyong finances, may tendency magkabalikan ulit kayo. Kasi dito, talagang puro, dito sa focus na natin, puro sadness and pain. Ayan mo, madalang lilitaw yan sa result. Kuminsan may positive, pero dito kasi sad and broken heartedness yung result. Pero, kumbaga, andun pa rin yung hope. Kung tinanong mo na makikita pa ba kayo, we will be together again. Pero, this is not the right time. Kaya, makinig ka sa advice ni spirits. You have to nurture yourself. You have to indulge. Magkaroon ka ng self-indulgence. Right now, pag-igihan mo yung about sa sarili mo. Okay? Focus on yourself. Self-worth. Kailangan mo yan. Kasi kung hindi mo yan babaunin after these messages, pwedeng matagalan to. Yung pagiging nyo. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga test ninyo na kailangang malagpasan. You have to focus on your stability, financial stability. You have to focus on yourself. You have to earn more self-appreciation, my loves. Andun yung hope. Hindi naman sinabi na parang wala ditong new love is coming, di ba? Lumilitaw yan sa ibang reading natin. Pero dito, ang lumitaw dito, Queen of Pentacles sa result. So, spirits advises you, telling you to focus on your finances. Even siya din naman, ganun. You mirror each other, tingnan nyo. They bury themselves in work to forget you. So, di ba sabi nga natin, parang nandun pa rin yung hope kasi naaalala ka pa rin niya. Ayan Pero siya din, ganun. Nagpo-focus din siya sa kanyang career. Okay, advices, let's see. Ay, tumalon. Okay. Tama. Confirmation. Time apart, sorry. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Separation, minsan, kadalasan kinakailangan talaga yan. Kailangan, hindi lahat ng mga successful relationship ay continuously, or sabihin natin consistent. Kung minsan talaga, may lesson na kailangan nyo munang malagpasan. At isa na nga yun is yung separation. Kailangan nyo talaga munang maghiwalay. And my loves, isang test din dyan, I feel na ialisin mo muna siya sa isipan mo. Pwede din na, kasi ayan kung pwede din na sabihin natin, wag kang, kasi nandito thirsty and nagkakos yun ng broken heartedness mo. So, pakiiwasan yung mga ganon na parang masyado kang uhaw sa kanyang atensyon, sa communication, para mas mapag-heal nyo, para makapasa kayo sa test na to. And yun, kagaya nun, unconsciously naman, makikipag-communicate din sa inyo, subconsciously. Kahit nasabihin yung busy kayo sa kanya-kanya yung mga businesses, kung kayo talaga is yung merong sabi natin cord na nagtatali sa inyong dalawa, ayan you speak, kumbaga naririnig or namamanifest nyo yung isa't isa, message ng isa't isa through music. Pero I dare you na alisin muna siya sa inyong isipan. Kasi kailangan nyo talaga ng separation. Kailangan nyo talaga ng separation. Okay, third party situation. Other people may be interfering in this relationship, dimming its full potential. So, dito, lumabas yung third party. May tendency na yung separation na to, maaaring may iba din, sabihin natin, interest. Pwedeng doon din sa person mo. Pwedeng iyan ay isa sa mga test na kailangan nyong malagpasan. So, I see na dito kasi you will be together again. Pero I see na meron pang sisingit dito. Okay? So, pwedeng magkabalikan kayo, pero pwede na may sumingit mo ng ibang tao dito. Di ba ganun naman? Sa ibang relationship ganun. Yung kumbaga, marami na kayong naging karelasyon, tapos ang ending kayo pala ulit sa huli. Kasi dito sa tapat ng card na we will be together again and not the right time. Now is not the right time, but you will be together again. Pero may third party, ibig sabihin, merong interfering sa relationship ninyo, other people interfering. May sisingit dito, my loves. Isa yan sa mga test ninyo. May sisingit. Keep the door open. Don't be so focused on a closed door that you don't see that ones which may open for you. So, ano yung sinabi ko kanina, diba? May sisingit. May tendency din sa side mo. Wag kang masyadong, wag mo mga, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa iyo kanina, isa sa mga test na to ay alisin mo muna siya sa iyong isipan. And wag mong hayaan na, wag kang mag-stick dito sa we will be together again. Yes, magkakabalikan kayo, pero tanggalin mo na yun sa isipan mo. Kasi, kumbaga pag kasi lagi mong pinanghawakan yun, hindi mo maipapasa yung test nito. So, para na lang hindi ka masyado mag-expect merong sisingit, it's either sa side mo or sa side niya. Pero ikaw, advice from the spirits na you have to open the door. Keep the door open. Okay? Wag mong i-close. Kung merong new love upcoming, don't be so focused on the closed door or doon sa past na yan. Kung merong new love, darating yan sa'yo, my loves. Okay? Keep the door open. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko nga, Meron naman, may sisingit eh. May sisingit din talaga dyan sa connection ninyong dalawa. Okay, so let's see one more. One more pull for this. Ay, two more pull pala. Gusto kong gamitin ito. Last more pull. Okay, engagement. Your love is ascending. Okay. So, my loves ha, pag nalagpasan nyo itong mga test na to, may tendency din talaga. And ito, I see na malalagpasan nyo to and it cost you lots of ascension and higher level of commitment. May tendency din na ma-involve ka dito na maybe next new love or that person, with that person. Pero, if ever na may susunod sa yung love, mas higher level ang commitment nito. Okay? Mas higher level. Okay, your spiritual journey is beginning, my loves. Ito na nga. Kumbaga, tinetest ka na ng tadhana. Pero, masasabi natin na part yan ng yung journey. So, lalo na dito, sa ganitong love connection. So, focus on your, sabihin natin, magtiwala ka lang. Trust the process and mag-heal ka rin, my loves. Healing is coming for you, upcoming for you, makakasurvive ka dyan. So, kagaya ng sabihin mo palagi sa sarili mo, yung self-improvement mo, indulgence. Okay? Indulgence, lahat ng sword na to, mahuhugot din yan, my loves. Okay. A message for you, may pahabol. I'm thinking of you. This very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. Unconsciously, may tendency na iyan ay message from your person. Pero kagaya ng sinabi natin, another test for you. Indulgence muna and finances. Okay? So, wag i-close ang door. Hindi, kahit na mahal ka ng taong to, they want to forget you right now because they believe that this is not the right time. Okay? So, kailangan muna mag-focus kayo sa inyong self-worth at sa inyong healing. It is time for you to heal, my loves. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Sending you lots of love and light. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.